個條款咧個租約咧係好難啃嘅。咁如果大家係有時間嘅，不妨走去睇下，因為嗰個合約咧係20頁紙，全部英文。咁嗱呢個咧其實當然有好多人識英文啦，咁有好多人係會睇得掂嘅。咁第二咧就係話，今晚其實我哋嗰個會咧，其實一定係要留會，因為第一咧真係有好多會員上嚟係嚟唔到。第一個通告本身個地址咧係錯嘅，個地址係錯嘅，你唔信上去自己睇翻。我今日已經將嗰啲錯嘅嘢咧擺晒上網㗎啦。因為喺2008年1月，你哋開個 EGM 咧，係個會址係開會嘅地方寫得好清楚，係幾多乜嘢街幾多號係寫得好清楚嘅，係有晒房嘅。但係而家咧係冇嘅，寫住咧仲要係2樓，但係2樓咧如果喺英文寫 second floor 咧，其實中文係3樓嘅，即係要上邊。咁其實咧，即係話你係講咗一樣嘢咧，你嚟過梗係冇問題啦。但係有啲人真係想嚟係嚟唔到，咁你係剝奪咗係要嚟嘅人嗰個權利。而家有人打電話俾我啊，佢話俾我聽，喂，我揾唔到你嗰個地址喎，旺角街坊福利會2樓，咁喺邊度啊？嗱，咁仲有一樣嘢咧，就係話雷曼嗰個迷債，大家都知㗎啦。我唔知呢度有幾多個人領咗嘢，但係雷曼迷債咧，其實就係好似而家咁樣講晒好嘅嘢，但係冇講唔好嘅嘢。OK， 嗱唔該你一陣逐樣答我下。
嗱咁啊 KY 嗰封聲稱嘅公開信咧，我哋就睇唔到佢有人簽名嘅。咁佢話聯署啊嘛，咁我話聯署，但係冇人簽名嘅。如果佢下次寫埋我名落去就死火啦。冇人認我。
咁啊，第一條問題我諗已經答咗啦，邊36個會員係咪啊？咁佢哋有冇咩特權咧？我諗冇嘅，即係佢哋冇睇過其他之前會嘅，只不過係即係攞簽名嘅時候，大家都知道咁樣搞啲咁嘅嘢，我咁支持就支持啦，支持不如開個會睇下點啦，或者唔支持都開個會睇下點先啦，咁樣啦，係咪咁法人咧就即係我哋所認知得2個方法，一係就去立法會搞翻條法例咁一係就搞有限公司，咁我唔知點樣揾啲議員同我哋搞條法例。又驚我哋有咩同政治團體有聯繫，咁又唔知點搞風險評估我諗就真係好仔細就好難，即係好講得好清楚啦。咁但係其實都係有限責任啦。同埋即係我哋要做多咗啲嘢，就係每年都要交啲嘢公司註冊處多啲嘢規管咁樣咯咁做執委或者就第日可能叫做會董咁撈硬啲啦辛苦啲啦又要請啲會計師或者即係律師答下我哋啲嘢咁樣咁當然睇下有啲義務幫我哋做到啦咁樣就有冇人5月11號之前買咗？我冇嘅，冇呢件事。第4條問題冇嘅咁就建議公司名係點立咗啦？公司章程都盡量都 show 咗出嚟，因為尋日先有。咁會員嘅地位就不變啦唯一我哋就即係未搞得清楚究竟屬會係咪可以繼續喺有限公司度存在咁樣？交落現有黑市資產就透過 donation 啦，都明白啦。投票方式咁就即係講咗都會親身投票，咁 block 時冇啦咁樣咁樣都盡量講咗啦。咁就係咯，即係阿 KY 提到即係話個租約條件好苛刻啦，租約期好短啦，即係1年3月，跟住就實際上得3年啫。一年死約，2年生約，跟住嗰2年生約咧，就要會3月就冇反對之下作嘅咁樣啦但係其實咧我頭先同大家報告R台咧嗰個所謂叫做永久假設咧，喺大帽山分房9號分房咧，其實都係1年之後每3個月做一次咁但係佢冇寫過完嗰期但係佢都係3個月就可以推人嚟嘅我哋。咁係政府一般慣常做嘅方法，俾 NGO 嘅都係咁樣係咪係咯，咁樣咁就即係會唔會搞係咪 即係同學校搞啊，慈善團體攞啲地方，咁我而家都盡量用緊呢樣嘢啦。如果我哋咁但係我哋呢度點搞 EX 嘅？點考聚會啊？點搞啲訓練？即係 in-depth 啲嘅，去搞條大天線搞唔到咁樣啦。咁OK， 咁就申請房屋署嗰度就噏咗啦，都我哋做過。咁當然啦，如果去到我哋而家行到呢一步，我哋而家要簽到約，我哋先搞得到會所噶嘛，簽唔到約同冇得搞。咁所以第一步就問咗大家去唔去做有限公司，搞唔搞先？我哋有個身份去簽約先。如果我哋冇個身份就唔使諗個咩永久會所嗰個委員會啦。咁但係如果我哋諗住搞喎，咁即係大家都同意一齊搞喎，咁啊一定要揾啲人幫手啦，唔係即係。我哋點諗咁多嘢啫？如果冇你哋嘅參與，我哋都成唔到事咁樣啦。OK， 好，咁呢個就
我想問下咧，開呢個 EGM 咧，之前有冇發過通知嘅？無論 email 或者寄信，我係一個都收唔到。哦，即係嗱咁樣嘅。
嗱咁咧，其實咧所有嘅信都係我一個人做嘅。即係我喺我屋企個，如果我根據個會員名冊裏邊咧有 email 嘅，我就會寄 email。OK 咁就如果係冇 email 有地址嘅，我就寄地址嘅。我係3月24號就出 email 嘅，3月26號就用郵寄方式寄出去嘅。咁但係即係如果真係可能喺我哋個會冊上邊嘅會員嘅資料嘅地址咧，都可能係唔 update 啊，或者唔齊全咧，係都冇辦法，因為我哋 email 彈翻嚟都40-50封 email， 即係冇辦法。咁而我哋嘅會章其實都講咗咧，我哋都係要喺開會前7日咧去做呢樣嘢啦，即係發通告俾會員啦嚇。咁就係啦，喺舉行非常務會或周年大會之前最少7日咧，就秘書就按翻本會嘅會員記錄去將佢郵寄電郵或者用其他嘅地址咁去啦。好啦，佢翻翻嚟 EY 嘅地址唔啱嘅。EZUD 嘅地址唔啱，即係寄咗啲信咁，但係即係如果根據嗰個會冊，可能大家冇 update 嘅，可能做咗永久會員之後10年搬咗幾次屋，咁即係我諗要大家會員都有個責任去 update 翻大家地址嘅。係，多謝你睇。
咁我其實我哋入會到而家，我對 email address 同埋嗰個郵寄地址係未見過嘅。就我唔知喺邊方面出咗問題啦。我嗰個係郵箱地址嚟嘅。咁啊，仲有一樣嘢，我嚟到，我本來係開例會嘅啫，突然間彈個 EGM 出嚟，我都唔知咩回事。咁樣間我而家提議呢個 EGM 流會，有冇人和議？好，和議。
夠唔夠大聲啊？多謝。
有冇人反對佢提出呢個動議？反對！
反對！喂，下10張係咩白先喎？係啊。
係啦，有英文講少少啦。VL2KW talking about he haven't got the notice of this EGM through any means. So maybe it is about the membership record issue. We do not have to update membership records so that we cannot give them, okay. But I have already posted in the House website, the PBS and even the HKCQ.net. We tried to do it.
It was only posted on Sunday.
Yeah.
The announcement of this EGM was only posted on the Hearts website on Sunday.
I think I have to clarify this point. It's posted on Sunday as a supplement at the front page, but it has been posted by our secretary a few weeks ago in the forum.
It's not accessible to all members. The only people who could see it are those who have a password.
Yeah. It's in the public area.
No, it's not. It was only put on the website on Sunday.
No, it has been posted before that in the forum, in the public area. Also, in the most common amateur radio forum, HKCQ.net.
In order to look at it, I have to put in a password. So it's not available unless members have passwords.
No, it is not restricted to members
Yes,
only.
it does.
It is not restricted to members only. Would Secretary please clarify that the whole message?
You even have to input a password